Let me see. Let me see if I got conditions. Let me see if I got conditions on 358. Let me see if I got conditions on 358. You know who with the video game rolling. Let's go.
Like that's real.
I got conditions on that Lake Placid. I got conditions on that Lake Placid, New York 358. You know who? Let me get my cup of coffee. I'll be back. Top of the morning, everybody. Top of the morning, everybody out there. It's Friday. Thank God. Thank God it's Friday. Thank God I'm not a peer rat. Let me see if I got conditions on Richie 127. Let me see if I got conditions on Richie 127. Richie, you know who? Lake Placid, New York 358 with the video game rolling. Let's go. Man, a lot of noise. I got a lot of noise on this video gate, Richie. Hey, Richie. I got a lot of noise on this video gate, man. A lot of big radios out there today, I guess. But a lot of noise on this side. Damn it, boy. Damn it, boy. Thank God. Thank God I'm not a peer rat. Hey, man. Hey, Richie, I tell you what, man. I tell you what, you got to check out this video gate, man. A lot of noise. A lot of noise on this video gate, but someone punching through. Someone punching right through this noise. I got a whole lot of noise, no doubt about it, down here, West Palm Beach. I'm down here, West Palm Beach, Florida. I'm down here, West Palm Beach, Florida. You got Soggy Dollar, West Palm Beach, Florida, with the wave break break.
West Palm Beach.
358, you got conditions down here, West Palm Beach. 358, you got conditions down here, West Palm Beach, Florida, in my mobile. They call me Soggy. They call me Soggy Dollar, West Palm Beach. I'm over here, 176 and Route 81A. Down here, West Palm Beach, right by the Atlantic Ocean. 358, let's go. Hey, you got Soggy. You got Soggy. You got a whole lot of Soggy Dollar in your receipt down here, West Palm Beach. I'm down here, West Palm Beach, Sunshine State, with the video gate. Soggy Dollar got down, break.
Little faggot Mexican 206. Look, he's sucking dick right now. Little faggot ass 206.
Hey, Richie, it's all your fault. I blame you. Hey, Richie, it's all your fault. I blame you. Hey, Richie Radio, if you got conditions down here, West Palm Beach, Florida, Soggy Dollar waving. Oh, Richie Radio, Soggy Dollar, West Palm Beach with the wave, break.
You ain't West Palm Beach. What talk skip before? Lake Classic ain't no real motherfuckers.
That driver out there, that station out there saying I'm not in West Palm Beach. I'm down here, A1A. I'm down here, A1A, in 176th Street, West Palm Beach, Florida. Let's go.
Staten Island, bitch.
It's hard to believe that a mobile station can transmit all the way from West Palm Beach there, driver.
Boy, 104 got...
I'm doing 2,000 bird watts. I'm doing 2,000 RMS bird watts. I'm doing 2,000 real watts. What do you think about my mobile, driver? West Palm Beach, Florida, got all the way brown.
Cat is in New York.
You're doing a hell of a job there, driver. You're talking from West Palm Beach. I'm up here in Port Newark, New Jersey. 10-4.
Thirsty.
Roger that on that New Jersey station I hear out there. You say you're in New Jersey. You say you're in Newark, New Jersey. Sounding good down here, West Palm Beach. You got Soggy Dollar, my mobile, 2,000 bird watts, 2,000 RMS watts in this mobile. I'm getting 2,000 RMS watts out of my 2-pill. I only have a 2-pill, and it's doing 2,000 real watts. What you think, dear Newark, New Jersey, break?
Yeah, doing good. I'm on a mobile myself, pushing 150 watts. 10-4.
Hey, Roger, on those 150 watts. Those 150 watts sounding real choice down here in West Palm Beach, Florida. Have a great day up there around Newark, New Jersey. They call me Soggy Dollar, West Palm Beach, and I got all the way down, break.
10-4. They call me the one and only highway. I'm down here every day. 10-4.
Stupid ass fuck.
I weigh every day. That's what you say. Take care, my friend. Have a good weekend when you get to it. Mr. Highway every day. They call me Soggy. A whole lot of Soggy dollars in my pocket, break.
Sound. Yeah, man. 300. Yeah, man. They call me 300. He's somewhere trying to be like somebody he not. No matter.
Hello, 300. 300, you're making a trip to West Palm Beach. 300, you're making a trip to West Palm Beach, Florida. 300, you're making a trip to West Palm Beach, Florida. Soggy, and a whole lot of Soggy Dollar. This 2-pill mobile doing 2,000 watts. I got my little 2-pill, 2 Japanese soldiers doing 2,000 RMS watts. Believe it or not, that's what it's doing, break. Let me see if I got conditions. Let me see if I got conditions on Mr. J. Mr. J, you know who. 358 with the video gate rolling. Let's go. Oh, man. Oh, man. Hey, Mr. J, welcome to the weekend. Sounding good down here, West Palm Beach, Florida. Mr. J, Soggy Dollar. Soggy Dollar, 2 pill doing 2,000 watts. I got down. I don't know about that, Richie. I hear cut off, cut off, cut off. Hey, cut off. Hey, cut off. You're making the trip. Hey, cut off. Hey, cut off, cut off, cut off. You making a trip. West Palm Beach. Soggy Dollar got down.
Soggy Dollar, pickup truck. Soggy Dollar, pickup truck. Cut off, cut off.
Hey, pickup truck, you got the hammer down here, West Palm Beach. Pickup truck, you got that big sledgehammer down West Palm Beach. Pickup truck is all I hear. Down here, West Palm Beach, Soggy Dollar got down.
Let him flex. Low. Being this undermodulated beast back quiet.
I hear you there, Superflex. You say let him flex, Superflex. I hear you there, let him flex, Superflex. Hey, Superflex, you're making a trip West Palm Beach. Hey, Superflex, you making the trip West Palm Beach, Florida. Let's go.
No matter what, Pedro, you still sound like a fucking Mexican. You heard 206? You faggot ass wannabe biatch. Look at this stupid ass.
Oh, yeah.
Trying to act like
oh, yeah.
trying to be